Updating your billing profile on Dagster Cloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your billing information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Dagster Cloud platform by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to update billing information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option in the main menu. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on the Billing Information section. This is where you can view and edit your current billing details. Step 4. Update your details. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your updates. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing profile up to date on Dagster Cloud. Regular updates ensure smooth transactions and uninterrupted service.